Promotional animation for your products or services. According to research, the majority of target customers don't purchase a product or service because they do not know what the product or service is. They are too busy to listen for more than 5 minutes. Your customers don't understand how your product can solve their problems? Are you tired of repetitive selling that leads nowhere? Do your customers ask the same questions over and over again? Are you looking at simplifying your product explanation? Well, here at Creative Concepts, through the animation, we can structure the offering with your own voice, providing a brief explanation of your product and services core value. Our team consists of sales experts with experience of increasing sales in all of the industries, and use their knowledge and technique to create sales animation customized just for you, which is precise, short, and exciting. Drop us a message for your first consultation.